Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for choosing to hang out with me today. In this video, I am catching up on a shiz ton of laundry. My husband and I were in the basement working literally all weekend, so that left zero time for laundry. Not only did our everyday laundry pile up, but we also had a lot of things that were in the basement that needed washing too. This amounted to 8 loads of laundry, and it was definitely the most laundry I have ever done in such a short time span. For those of you who did not know me, my name is Emily, and welcome to my very normal, but I like to think very awesome life that I like to document here on the web. I hope you find some kind of enjoyment or motivation from watching, and I would actually love to get to know you a little bit better, so if you so wish, leave a comment down below and I would love to say hi back. That's going to be all from me for now, but welcome once again, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so the reason why we had so much extra laundry was, like I mentioned earlier, due to the basement. We've been dealing with a mold problem in the basement, which we think we may have solved, but we had to clean everything, all the walls, ceiling, baseboards, all of the bins that are down there for storage, table, chairs, everything. So that amounted to a lot of extra laundry since we had a lot of baby stuff in storage, some extra blankets, sheets, comforter, etc. So in addition to all the normal laundry, we also had to wash all that extra stuff from the basement. But it's done, and hopefully that took care of all of the mold.
You're so good. You're so good. Me up, me up, so good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Me up, me up, broken, feels like. Feels so good. Me up, me up, broken, feels like. Feels so good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Feels so good. Me up, me up, broken, feels like. Feels so good. Feels so good. Feels so good.
Okay, friends, as we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that there are so many other things that you could be doing besides watching YouTube, so it means the world that you are choosing to hang out with me. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it helpful or motivating, would you please give it a thumbs up and be sure to check back in next week for another video. Don't forget to say hi down in the comments if you so wish. Until next time, bye!